This is the Forious Classic Matte Black Kitchen Faucet. I really like the design of this, where it has this round but kind of flat design at the bottom here. It looks really modern, nice curve up to the top into the faucet. And this can be pulled out and used as a shower head. Really like that. Turn it on, you can pull it out to the side here, and then it has a nice stream, or you can turn it to the shower head function. And you can do this for both hot and cold water. If you want to just stop the water while it's running, press this button here and let it go. Really easy to install. Really happy with how well this turned out. And the fact it has the shower head that can pull down and clean things far into our sink is really nice. Good water pressure based on the water pressure we already have. Easy to keep clean and dust. Really like it. If you're looking for a new kitchen sink faucet, I highly recommend you get one of these Forious faucets. Works really well. Really like the design here of turning the water from hot to cold, and how good this faucet looks and how easy it is to install. Just makes it so much better. I highly recommend you get one of these faucets if you need a new kitchen faucet.